Hey everybody, welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. Today we are going to make a simple model. We will use the next SolidWorks tools, Extruded Boss, Lofted Bose, Full Round Fillet, and Extruded Cut. Let's start. Plate. Normal view. I will select the center line, and make line 20 mm from the origin point. And I will create rectangle, 20 mm by 40 mm. Select midpoint entities, and added dimensions. I go ahead, and use an Extruded Boss to make the thickness of the plate 8 mm. Direction from midplane. Next, I will create the same part from the right side using a front plane. Center line, 20 mm from the origin point. Rectangle, 20 mm by 40 mm. Well, we go ahead to the next step. I will select a Lofted Boss tool, and in Profiles, window pick two faces. We can see two green points. I will move right points to the next corner. Now, it looks better. And I will select Tangency, to face for both parts. Click OK. So, I'm just going to go to Select Fillet, to created radius 10 mm. I choose Full Round, and the pick three faces. Same for the right side. We have done two radii for both sides, and now we can make hole 11 mm. And for the right side. For left side. Okay, guys, we create our model. I hope you found the SolidWorks tutorial video useful. If you'd like to continue improving your skills in SolidWorks, and see more our video, please subscribe to more content like this in future.